discovered 5 years ago, a 21st century landfill site in Rainham has been deemed a site of historical importance, and given a World Heritage Site status. In spite of the rapid urban expansion in Far East London, this site has become a precious protected area for archaeology excavation. Numerous discoveries helped archaeologists of Archaeology Go Limited to reconstruct the everyday life in 21st century.
Our company is devoted to illustrate the possible everyday life in the past and encourages visitors to participate in our excavation process, which is an experience workshop. The found objects will be imposed to the company for reconstruction and safety reasons. Each found object will be signed with the name of the discoverer. These discoverers are offered a premium membership and discounts on tickets and souvenirs. You can see their names often mentioned on any sort of press.
A 21st century laserdisc decoder was successfully reconstructed last month, making it possible to decipher the mysterious content on laserdisc found 2 years ago in an ancient East London landfill. The reconstruction was based on the machine pieces found together in the same area of the landfill site, by referring to the possible 20th century decoder drawing found in the British Library. The archaeologists finally solved the missing puzzle. This precious machine was sold at Sotheby's auction this week by $186,200.
Only the valuable artifacts will be sold at auction. Most objects found by us are exhibited in the souvenir shop after the reconstruction. The experience was really interesting, and that is something that you can't really have nowadays, as everything in our everyday life is digitalized or virtualized. There is also another experience workshop in the ancient cemetery in West London. We actually found really interesting 21st century style jewelries. They're surprisingly similar to the contemporary concept of jewelries, which is having them as part of our body. Our archaeological discovery is becoming a fashion trend now.
The 21st century style revival really encouraged us to try our best to unveil the life 500 years ago, because people are so curious and passionate about the lost world, and I believe we are somehow learning something from our ancestors through our discoveries.
We teach you all thinking you need a rights, cause I am saying Jesus Christ used to see the sight, cooking oxtail, peas and rice, making about a G a night. They can't read or write, but I got every
The concept of Archaeology Go Limited presents possibilities how people in the future may illustrate the present life, which have never existed in the past. However, if there is an imaginary object reconstructed, if there is a mistaken idea becoming a trend, are these possibilities still not real? A highly commercialized background brings more possibilities that causing these results. Overcoding is a commercialization approach of capitalist machine, in order to generate more profit. When overcoded objects are decoded, and overcoded again by capitalist machine, which authoritatively propagate their ideas to consumers, during the participation of working process or trade, the possible is becoming real. In spite of the exaggerated design response, thinking as an archaeologist from the future provides an opportunity to rethink about the existing objects and how object forms,